Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best perimeter trip alarms on the market. The Fith Original USA-made camp-safe 12-gauge perimeter trip alarm device. If you're looking for a reliable solution to enhance your camping or home security setup, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this device stands out. The Fith Camp Safe is designed to provide a simple yet effective way to secure your perimeter without the need for electricity. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or even safeguarding your property. This device operates on a 12-gauge trip alarm mechanism, ensuring a loud, reliable alert when triggered by any disturbance along the trip line. Let's talk about its key features. Firstly, its robust build quality ensures durability and reliability in various outdoor conditions. It's compact and easy to set up, making it ideal for both novice and experienced users. The alarm system is designed to offer an immediate audio alert upon activation, giving you crucial early warning of any potential intrusions. Where can you use the Fith Camp Safe? It's versatile, suitable for setting up around campsites, garages, gardens, and more. Whether you're into camping and hiking or looking to bolster your home security, this device adapts seamlessly to different environments. It's also great for tactical training scenarios, airsoft games, and any situation where perimeter awareness is crucial. Taking a closer look at the specifications, the Fith Camp Safe weighs just 12 grams and measures 1 inch in width and height, ensuring portability without compromising on performance. It's proudly made in the USA, reflecting its quality craftsmanship. This device operates without the need for electrical power, relying solely on its mechanical trigger system. To wrap up, the Fith Original USA-made camp-safe 12-gauge perimeter trip alarm device is undoubtedly a top choice for anyone serious about enhancing their security setup. Its rugged design, ease of use, and reliable performance make it a standout in its category. Whether you're planning your next camping trip or looking to secure your property, this device delivers where it matters most. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this one. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with the Fith Camp Safe, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.